Alright, today we're practicing, or at least at this moment, we're practicing on test 370 regarding the void method of the comps applications. We already did this. If you look here, see, we already did it right here. Basically, we call the void method, which we create right here, and it returns nothing, right? But it returns exactly what it's supposed to, anyways. It doesn't give an error. So you know it's a void, it's not returning anything because you need to see the syntax for return. Simply put, you're not giving a value back to anything. So whatever happens in here, in this case we're going to use a string, whatever happens in here, that is not how you spell my name. Anyways, let's see out this. Now actually making a declaration and initializing a value and then couting it with the input-output string, of course, creating the declaration itself as a string value or data type, whatever you want to call it. And then of course we're calling that value now. So if you build this and you test it, you'll see that my name actually comes out. Okay, now there's different ways to this to make this look nicer. You can use \n to basically bring it down, so you can build that, test it, and you see it puts some space right there, but maybe you don't want that, and you need to make it more organized, so you do another \n. So it's basically the same way as saying hello world, but it's the more efficient, professional way to do it, which is funny enough to say that you get more control over every bit of your software, game, whatever you're using, by using methods. You could specifically even have these methods specifically for calling in another header file or CPP file by putting it right here, and you hash that include within quotes, and then putting the .h or .cp. In this case, we're not doing that right now. That can come later. But essentially, if you want to do another void method, if you come down here, do void int, right? Come down here. Now you don't have to do it this way, but I don't know if you can. I don't think you do void int. Yeah, I don't think so. Because you'd have to return. Let's still return an int or roll number, but let's do this. Come down here and call it. I'm just going to go ahead and do the process, so you don't ever forget to do it in the future. It's better to do it like this. You've already created a method. You've created a void method like that. Now you're deciding what to do. In this case, we're going to do put one in here. We'll put num1 in here, and then we'll do let's see, int num. No, what? It canceled. Ugh, it'll suck. Anyways, so now we have int num1. Can this work? No, this is all about testing too. Yeah, I didn't think so. Regardless, in this case we're not going to do it like that. We're going to do it like we were just doing. Come down here and put in this string, put in num1, but actually give it the number1. Don't put it right there. We're still calling it. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. So we're going to do this. Put it in quotes. So this is where you'll have to do like stoy. So even though you're using void, you could do cout and cin and convert whatever's in this string. In this case, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to cout it. We can add that later and manipulate it later if someone makes a specific request. For now, we're just giving a short, simple example. and just playing around too. I don't know everything, so, but regardless, you know generally how to make this work. And just like before, if you want to, you can do your /n, set your strings. That looks interesting. I've actually never made those specific strings of characters that way. Regardless, I knew how to still give those borders of white space in between the integer, but you can also give some more space by actually putting space in here, which I will, just to see how that looks. Anyways, they're both getting called, so just space there. But again, just like over here, you can put space in between the actual end lining, build it, test it. Now you've actually got like a border around all of your text. Okay. But yeah, as you can see, this is a lot more efficient than just. It's also a lot nicer. You can cut it down like this. You can tell your data types, which methods you need to return to if you have an error. You can also do stuff like when you're practicing, do std cmget. Do cmget. Practice this. Copy it. Put it right there. You can set up like little stopping points this way, or you can use if else statements. Center. It's a great way to quick test stuff.